TSX about to be back on the road soon.
Fresh bread.
Yeah. Alright, what is going on, guys? It is your boy Rish coming back with another video, man. Today is very, very special. Finally, some big ups. Moment we've been all waiting for, especially me. We're going to pick up this fucking motor, bro. Barry's been doing his thing. He's been just working on mine. He's getting his shit done. And now it's done. It's ready for pickup. So, yeah, let's get the fucking show on the road because we are a little later than expected, but, you know, we're going. You guys know me, man. I am super excited. I am so hyped for this. I've been waiting for this for months, man. Like in CT, couldn't get no one to fucking help me out, you know, figure this shit out, pay someone to do this because no one wanted my fucking money. Now we're in Florida and we're making way more moves. Motor's fucking done. So I'm going to pick it up, gonna bring it here, put it on the engine stand and start putting on all the stuff that I need. I do have to go buy a new water pump and like the power steering switch. A couple little things that I want to buy and replace before I toss it on, because water pump is kind of like a good thing to do because it ain't the most fun job. So gotta buy like fluids and stuff if I don't have that, and you know, etc, etc. I still gotta get new bolts for the mounts because they are pretty rusty. So yeah, let's see my Smithna. Finally made it to Barry's. He got the motor done, and thank you guys for all the support and showing him some love. Cause he's doing his thing. Yes, sir. He gets happy when he's seeing you guys call him the Honda God and stuff. He hasn't heard that in a little while, but he definitely is. Got my motor right here, looking all beautiful like. Damn. And a little messed up when I did the valve cover, but it's all right. It's all right.
Went saying to buff that out.
Yeah, not too bad.
Yeah, this is the ported head that I'm getting ready to use.
Guys need some porting work. What is it, $800, $900?
Starting off at $950, and then it depends from there. Depends on how dirty the head is.
Give him some clean stuff.
Yeah.
I made a little mistake. I brought my dirty head, and it was just too much work, so I brought my cleaner one, much better. So look at that. Yeah, this beautiful motor is going in this RSX you guys were liking when I showed you. Damn.
Took it all apart. Had to have a more streetable motor in here. This motor is going into my tube chassis, full-blown race car. Weighs 1558 with me in it. We're gonna see what that does at the track. All motor setup, alcohol, nitromethane. Have some fun with it. Yeah, I mean, I got the turntables. Gonna mix some stuff up for you.
You hear that? He's gonna make us some beats, you know, for the channel, so we can have some better music and non-copyrighted stuff. Yeah, he does beats, music stuff too, you know, a producer. Man of many talents, so.
Love it, man, love it.
So about to be prepping, put this motor in. Homie David's here. Give him and Barry a Rish shirt.
Plus we got caught up in the beginning of the year shit. Keychain too? Good looks. Yeah, they're starting to crack down, like.
Oh, thanks, man.
Especially
of
around
course.
here on people.
Motor right here. Got some keychains. Look at that. Fresh bread. Yeah.
Stand and everything is going. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yep. Alright. Now, take this stand off. I've been doing this for a long time. Unbolt that.
No, I'll keep it. It's alright. Just so I can transfer it out to my engine stand.
Knowing Barry, I knew he was going to work smarter than harder, so I knew he was just going to put it in there.
Yes, sir.
What? Man, look, I'm ex-Air Force. We work smarter, not harder.
Exactly what I just said.
This is like one of his children.
You know how many kids I done sent off to college now? Dang.
Another one.
As soon as this is up and running, you'll see the car, you know, this motor inside the car, right here.
We all need to go for a joyride.
Heck yeah.
Of course. It's all strapped away. Yes, sir. Big shout out to Barry doing his thing. Now it's time to hit the road and bring it home, man. Let's go. Let's go. Ah, I drove off and I heard a clack, and it was my camera cap. Good thing I trusted my gun. I was like, no, that wasn't just something in the road. So we're like 20 minutes from home. Another like 6 hours of driving today. But this is like the new normal, man. Like before in CT, I never used to drive this much, and I used to be tired as fuck. Especially with work and whatnot. Dude, I used to be smooth brain all day, every day. But almost home, man. Almost bringing the baby home. The little kid, Barry's kid, you know. It's like his little child, man. Sending him off. Super excited, super grateful that we just made this bond and connection with Barry. Someone so particular and knowledgeable. Something I've been looking for the longest, just to learn more, show you guys mad different shit and other possibilities, because you guys can get port jobs or whatever done by him and whatnot. I'm just super excited and ready to get this show on the road. I have to put it on the engine stand. I gotta buy myself an engine hoist. I gotta buy a water pump, gasket, a couple little things, and start putting shit on, then pop it in. Homie David Ward said he'd come by whenever it's ready to pop in and give me a hand. So more content and just, you know, more
Good
support
vibes.
and good vibes, bringing other people inside the channel and showing love and support, and that's what it's all about. We're building this community to grow and prosper this year. So I'm just super excited for this content. I hope you guys are too. TSX about to be back on the road soon, going all over Florida, all sorts of videos. So I'll update you guys more when we get to the cribbo. Peace. Yes, sir. Let's go. It's time to put this engine stand arm on here. Just gonna slide it out and then get it on the engine stand.
I never take a day off, work around the clock, my engineer getting paid off. Rock like Ace up, like the weed and take off. So high I cannot see.